Welcome to our podcast, where today we're diving into the world of GitHub and how it empowers developers and enhances collaboration in coding like never before. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the fascinating features that GitHub offers. Right off the bat, we've got GitHub Copilot. Imagine having an AI-powered pair of extra hands while you code. GitHub Copilot is like having a brilliant co-developer right there with you, suggesting code snippets and helping you write more efficient code. It analyzes the context of your work and provides recommendations, which can be a time saver, especially for those tricky functions or algorithms. Just think about how much easier coding could become when you've got this kind of smart assistance on your side, right? Now let's chat about security, something that's become increasingly crucial in today's digital age. GitHub shines in this aspect as well. With integrated tools to find and fix vulnerabilities in your code, developers can feel a lot more confident that they're not introducing security holes into their applications. It's like having a security guard standing by your code, keeping an eye out for any shady characters. And then we have actions. This is where automation comes into play. Imagine setting up a workflow that automatically runs tests every time you push code changes. No more manual testing. GitHub Actions allows developers to automate those repetitive tasks, making their workflow smoother and more efficient. You might even find that you have more time to focus on the creative side of programming when you let the automation handle the nitty-gritty details. Speaking of collaboration, let's talk about the GitHub Discussions feature. It's one thing to write code, but what about talking about it? GitHub Discussions allows developers to have conversations outside the code itself, share ideas, and ask questions in a community environment. It's like having a digital coffee break, where you can brainstorm with colleagues or even reach out to fellow developers across the globe. It fosters an amazing community spirit and can lead to some innovative breakthroughs. Now let's touch on the concept of code review. We all know how important it is to have a second pair of eyes look over our work. GitHub's code review tools make it easy to manage those code changes, provide feedback, and ensure that best practices are being followed. It encourages a culture of collaboration and learning. Plus, it's always nice to get some constructive criticism. It just helps us grow, doesn't it? As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on something. GitHub is not just a platform for storing code. It's an entire ecosystem designed to support developers at every stage of their workflow. With tools that enhance security, streamline automation, improve collaboration, and foster community engagement, it truly empowers developers worldwide. So, here's a thought to leave you with. How could you see these tools transforming your own coding journey? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow developers. Keep coding, stay curious, and see you next time.